everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm going to unbox a brand new clothing distributor for us. So we're really excited about these clothes, and we're going to show you each and every item. We're going to hang them up, display them really well, and you're going to be able to find these. We will be selling these on the fire sale. So be on the lookout on the next fire sale. We sell a lot of these clothes on the fire sale, but we usually have lots of multiples, so we're super excited. Let's get to unboxing. Okay, fire sale. What is it? Well, every Monday and Wednesday at 12:30 Central Standard Time, right here on this YouTube channel, we sell live. Yes, live, I say. HookedOnPickin.com is where you can go to sign up for the live fire sales. That way we know who you are. If you have a nickname, make sure you follow all the directions to give us your nickname so that we can attach that to your customer account information. But then you can buy live, you get your invoice, and then you get all the fun things that we sell in the live sale. We don't just sell clothes, though, but we do sell these clothes on the fire sale, but we have a plethora of fun things you can buy. The bonus about buying all the different things on the fire sale is it all gets boxed together, and that discounts your shipping cost. So let's go ahead and open this. But you can sign up for email marketing or a text message marketing on hookedonpickin.com, and I always send an email or a text message out every time we have a live sale. We do 3 a week, and so definitely check those out. Ooh, purple. What is this? So this is a company that's going to do small, medium, large, extra large, was the way that they do their sizing. So let's see what these even are. Oh, it's a cardigan. Hold on, I'm going to try this on. It's like my size. Look at that. This is the large, extra large. I typically wear, in the Bloom Chick brand, I wear a 12 or 14-16, but at Walmart, I'm an extra large to 2XL. So that gives you kind of an idea of how the fit will fit you on this one. It's called Diva D. So we'll go ahead and just hang this up. And then any of the extras, I'm going to go ahead and put in a tote, but we're going to definitely be able to display and show you at the end of the video all the different things.
Why does a woman need a cardigan during the summer?
Because we're never the same temperature any time of the day. We fluctuate between 15 different temperatures every single day. So
okay.
You know how that works?
So like that's
right
science.
Right now, just through this video alone, I'm going to be hot, cold, just right, and then cold again, and then hot again, and then sweating to death, and then freezing, all of the above.
I think you're hot all the time, baby.
Oh, thanks. He has to say that.
I don't have to. I'm happy to do it.
Ooh, this is totally my style.
That's a beach look, don't it?
Yes, it is. So this one is an extra large. So these ones are single size.
Is that flip-flops or is that butterflies on there?
Butterflies.
Butterflies? Yeah. That's your blue, too, at the bottom there.
Blue. I love blue.
I'm sorry, I probably cut you off. What was the size?
Extra large. So these ones must be single sizes. So it looks like 1XL, 2XL, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, let me just double check these sizes real fast. I never did tell you. We've got large, extra large, large, extra large. I think these are all large, extra large. Just because it's kind of a... Oh, these are small mediums. Small medium. Yep.
I think they are sold in certain packs.
Yes. All right, so let's check this one out. Ooh, this one is a whole pack. Like they're in one whole pack and then individually. So we're going to look at the... What size is this one? Oh, it's on the tag, and the tag is flipped backwards. Hold on one sec. Get in there. And I'll tell you. This one is a one size fits most. So this would be like... Oh, maybe because it's just like a tunic top. It's almost the same color as the shirt I got on.
It is.
Look at that.
You know what this looks like? It looks like when you go to the beach.
Yeah.
And you go to those little...
Shops.
You know, shops there. This is where they're getting all their clothing.
Well, I would totally wear this just with leggings.
Yeah.
There you
I don't know. That's pretty long. You could probably just wear that, couldn't you?
Yeah, you don't have to wear it with leggings. In the winter, you can wear it with leggings. Because I'll still be blazing hot in the winter.
It's true. Again, she's hot all the time.
All right. Looks like we might have one similar in style of what we just opened, but different color. Sometimes it's hard to tell what the color is until you get it out of the plastic. This one says it's blue. Sorry, I just pushed the whole table. Yeah, it's a navy blue. Those are cute. I love those.
That's a great blue for you too?
Yes, I love the color blue. It's my fave. So it's also plain on the back.
Awesome.
I'm gonna have to take some of these on vacation.
I know.
Oh wait, we're on vacation.
Oh yeah. We are clearly recording this before vacation,
Yes.
so that you have content.
We can't have you guys miss us while we're gone.
You don't forget about us.
We don't want you to feel abandoned. And we don't want to feel abandoned.
Oh, that was pretty wild. Boom.
Boom. This is your color palette.
Yeah. It's beach. Doesn't it just scream beach summer?
Yes.
Yes.
I feel like I need to be hearing wave noises.
Yes.
Cool.
Currently, while you're watching this, we're in Panama City Beach.
Yep.
Or sadly, coming back from Panama City Beach.
I think we'll be coming back this day. Okay, we have more of those.
We'll be sad then.
Yes, we will be sad.
And happy. All at the same time. I have been enjoying getting these where you've got multiples.
Sizes, multiple quantities, so that we can make. Because when we do the bloom chick, I love it, but it's just a one and done. You know?
Yep.
Ooh, this one's super bright colors.
There you go.
I like this one the best so far.
Do you really?
I do. I know you don't like me in yellow, but yellow's okay if it's not right up next to
Yeah, I think that would work good for you.
Yeah. I wore pale yellow for Easter one time. I looked terrible. Like, I go look back on the pictures. It was not a good color for me. Anybody else out there like that?
It was a hideous hot.
A hideous hot.
She was hot in a hideous way.
He's so nice. All right. What else we got? Uh-oh. This one might be my new favorite because it's louder.
Looks like a watermelon.
It does look like a watermelon. Oh, I could eat some watermelon
I could eat watermelon right now.
Anybody
too.
eating watermelon while you're watching this video? That's what I would like to know. If you are, leave it in the comment section below that you're eating watermelon while watching this video. And it was just meant to be that you were going to watch this video and we were going to talk about watermelon and you eating the watermelon.
Absolutely.
You were fated. Ooh, that's a lot of colors.
Beautiful.
Yes.
It is pretty.
It. Very pretty. All right, there we go. Super
You know, with all the sizes, you could get you, Lexi, and Faith one.
We should just take these on vacation.
And then James, and myself.
No.
I mean, well, okay. We won't do the whole family. That might be awkward.
Though, for sure.
Girls might like it, actually.
Well, both the girls, we could have them pick one out.
You did matching shirts one time.
We did.
When we were down the beach last time.
Yeah. That's what my Facebook like my background picture on my Facebook is.
Is it really?
It's the family photo where you and James are both in Hawaiian shirts.
Yes.
And me and Lexi and Faith are all in that red shirt with flowers on it. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I love this color.
Those look great, I think. You know?
I love them.
You could use them as a swimsuit cover-up, but you could also go...
They're thick enough so that you don't really see through them, so that's
right.
kind of nice. The one, just so you know, I'm 5'4", so that'll kind of give you a reference of how long it's going to be on you.
True.
So if you're taller, like I have a very short torso, so if you're a little bit taller, it's still going to be long enough for you.
She is a hot 5'4".
Tiny.
You're like a hot pocket.
Hot pocket. Because
Yeah.
you're going to put me in your pocket?
Yes.
Hot pocket.
Do they sell Hot Pockets anymore?
Yes, they do.
Is that a brand that just disappeared and I don't know?
No, it's still there. I don't know. Have they been sued a million times for
I don't
burning
know.
your mouth?
Burning people?
That's what all I remember is that Jim Gaffigan sketch where he talks about burning your mouth on a Hot Pocket.
Correct.
Every time I think of Hot Pockets, I think of that guy.
Steaming hot in the sides, cold in the middle.
Yep. All right, so this is the last item. Ooh, I love this blue and purple. It's very royal.
There you go.
So couple of different things. So we've got that cool cardigan, the purple cardigan, and then we've got your solid color ones. I'm going to actually go through and give you a little bit of a flyby here at the end.
Yep.
So you can see them.
That royal blue that she was looking at there and telling you it looks so royal. If you didn't know, Heather's actually of royal lineage.
Nope.
When we did her family tree.
False.
She is, I believe, 124th in line to the British monarchy.
False.
You don't know that. 124th
My
in
family
line
is from
could
that
be
area.
true.
Yes.
You probably are.
German English, yeah.
Yeah, 124th. I'm gonna go out on a limb.
Okay.
You're 124th in line to the
We've
British
got
monarchy.
this one I'm going to do a real quick. Just keep your
Okay.
phone there. I'm going to do this.
Ooh. Ah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow. Aha!
It's better than fireworks.
Ta-da! And whee! So we have all of these new styles that are going to be available on our next fire sale. Definitely check out our channel. It's every Monday and Wednesday at 12:30 Central Standard Time is when we do the fire sales. Check it out because we have a ton of things, and then usually right towards the middle of the fire sale, usually around number 30 or 40 is when we start doing clothing. So thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.